If you're not looking for a way to generate a full-time income from home, I want you to skip this ad right now. Now let me ask you a few questions since I have your attention. Are you overwhelmed and tired from your stressful job? Are you looking to start your own business from home so you can generate and make money while you sleep? Now, if you answer yes to any of those questions, I want to let you know I know exactly how you feel, and I used to be just like you. An tired and overwhelmed employee working in customer service who just wanted to take care of his family and take vacations without asking permission every single time. So if you want to generate and make money from home, there are only two things you need to do. First, you need to have a converting offer, and second, you need to get traffic to that converting offer. Now you're in luck because I just created a step-by-step simple training to help you discover how you can make passive income right from home. Now this is what I want you to do right now. Around this video, there's a link for you to click so you can receive more information. You'll be directed to my website so you can discover exactly how I'm able to achieve and create awesome paydays just like this. Click on the link below around this video and I'll see you on the inside.